Mary Lincoln na Njoroge both have shared very huge and wonderful news. Ira ciatiga mafans makima congratulate na njira nene muno na mundu ungi urikitie go congratulate ni mafans na a Kenya ona ginya aini ni wamite actor and presenter uria urikitie Kumbûra ati ni marikitie gutanahirwo na kana gakahi Ndeto arekereirie through his social media profile aihurwo ni gikeno kia mwanya muno, and also as he welcomes his bouncing baby boy into this world akiwa welcome to the world son, call me Baba Zion. Wow, a big congratulations to Amete, Akarago Muraya, IMC, Jimmy Kajim, Akaro Maura, just to name a few. Shiro Digital, and all the major media now congratulate Baba Zion, the newest dad in town. Wamete, congratulations once again. Narukore Mary Lincoln, Oria Ona, Kiarikite Goshaya Detoshia Monyamuno. After a long wait, na request, Njimuno Kuma Kurema fans, Mary Lincoln Yarikite Kuma Uburira, at the long wait is over. Her brand new song is finally out. Narajina na okora kirekereria ndumiriri no akiuga coming soon kuna kara, and the fans magikena muno magikiuga they can't wait. Now the song is finally here. Mary Lincoln brand new song, congratulations to her. Na riu nake Njogu has surprised so many mafans ake ona ginya aini othe makiyumiria na njira nene muno kuonania kugegio kwao ni this huge reveal. Ndeto cia mwanya no cia kugegania muno. Njogu has surprised many thutha wake gukora Kumbûra his age. Njogu turns 50 years old. Na arakorirwo agicea ndeto ici na njira ya mwanya muno anyitanire na aini megatu na arata ake Asamido a Jose Gatutura a Tony Young, Edgar Thenge, just to name a few. Ara marakorirwo makimumagaria hari gukungwira Njogu at 50. Igongona rirari ria mwanya muno na ona nginya aini matiganite makiyumiria and wishing him a happy birthday, na makenete muno ni kumenya his age, na angi makigega na gukena muno ni kumenya he is the same age as Bishop JJ uria onake arakungwira muthenya wake just the other day. A happy birthday kuri Njogu as he turns 50. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.